Good evening to all. Uh, Today we will start the final element in the IG1. Okay, means element fourth B means part B. Okay, already the the fourth element of part A is completed. This one is the fourth part B, and also this is the final one also. Okay, chat box we have got. Okay, good evening. Okay, good. And I will show the videos just only 2-3 minutes. Maybe some our friends may be joined. Okay, just I will play the one video. Okay. Okay, please watch this video. Confined spaces. Okay, okay, all are here. Okay, no problem. Just I will start the lesson. I will share my screen. Okay, this one. Right here. The element 4b. Already you watched the video, the confined spaces. Okay, already the last class we discussed about confined spaces. Because confined spaces we can't see what is there in inside. Okay, if you use any chemical, automatically the fired. Okay, and some of the items you are forgetting. Okay, and also the in confined space location, maybe the different gases are formed the internally. Okay, we have the very big problem because those are working at the confined space location because some breathing problems. That's why the everybody just bring maybe some locations. First they are check the particular how much of the gas levels, all maybe oxygen level and also maybe nitrogen. Okay, and the sulfur how much is there, this is verified by using the some thermal meters are there. Okay, these meters are the check the how much of oxygen. Okay, this oxygen is suitable for the our breathing purpose or not, they are first they are checked. Okay, these are the confined spaces. Maybe I will show you remaining some videos also the future. And also the IG2 location, we explained about the all the remaining the confined spaces and loan workers and everything we explained in IG2 also. This is the final chapter in the IG1. Okay, this is the final chapter, the IG1, and this is the health and safety, the management systems. Okay, 4. And here in this the measuring, audit and review. Here in this just only this fourth B means element fourth B or part B. This is the final unit in the IG1. Nearly the 20 marks you got it, nearly the 20 to 25 marks. Okay, the minimum is 15 to 25 marks from this only unit only, 15 to 25 marks. Okay, therefore the two elements are enough to pass. This is the measuring and auditing and the review, because the final steps these are the measuring. Okay, auditing, audit nothing but some before you do the some inspection. Okay, inspection and auditing. Okay, and finally reviewing. Okay, these are in this chapter the element fourth B. Okay, or part B. And here the what are the learning outcomes of the this unit. Okay, in this unit we are automatically some of the important role and the activities of or purpose of the active and reactive monitoring system. Okay, here the some two monitoring systems are there. One is the positive monitoring system, the another one is the negative monitoring system. Okay, one is the active monitoring, another one is the reactive monitoring. For example, active monitoring is positive and the reactive monitoring is nothing but the negative like only. Okay, therefore we are discussing about this topic. Okay, and the principles and purpose of active and reactive monitoring, and also purpose and procedures of health and safety auditing also. Okay, the purpose and procedures of health and safety auditing, this is very very important. Auditing. Okay, this auditing we have the internal auditing is there, external auditing is there. This everything is examined here and also explained. Maybe this auditing we got the compulsory one or two questions are guarantee, minimum 10 marks guarantee only this auditing, minimum 10 marks. Okay, explain the purpose of and procedures for investigating the incidents or some of the accidents or maybe some the maybe injuries and also maybe the fatalities. These all are maybe the work related ill health and other occurrences we are discussed here in this the chapter also. Because investigation, for example, auditing is a for example human being body, for example entire body for example. But for example one hand is nothing but the investigation or inspection like only. Therefore the inspection is the just only the part of the auditing. Okay, auditing nothing but full thing, full the information we got it. Okay, but only the inspection nothing but only half part. Okay, we will discuss later these all also. Okay, and also describe the legal and organizational requirements for recording and the reporting incidents. Okay, some of the incidents reported, some of the incidents never reported. Okay, the why the problem, and also the reported how many maybe the incidents maybe the finalized and also recorded, and future reference purpose. This everything we are discussing here in the chapter. And also the chapter explains the purpose and procedures of regular reviews of health and safety performance, because review is very important. For example, how much they are done. Okay, this everything is examined. For example, one construction site location. Okay, maybe the manager or owner maybe visit the site. Okay, how much work completed, maybe electrical people how much work, or maybe the plumbing people how much work, maybe construction people how much work. These are the examined, maybe 20%, 20%, 20%, for example. Maybe next after 1 week, maybe 25%, they are verified this manner. This is a review. Okay, they are correctly doing or not. The same similarly, health and safety point of view also, the regular reviews also, because how much performance. Okay, the last maybe the month, maybe only 10 incidents happened, but now maybe decreasing. That is important, because they are implementing health and safety precautions, means maybe 10 is the decrease to 8. Okay, maybe after maybe 1 month, maybe 7, after maybe this one, maybe 1 year, maybe this is 2. This like here the reviewing also important, because a review is nothing but just only the gather how the way the work is progressed or not. Okay, how much the maybe the percentage injuries happened, this everything is the reviewed. Okay, these are the learning outcomes of a the part B in for element 4. This is a final the element in the IG1. Okay, here the active and reactive monitoring. In this, the first part is the active and reactive monitoring. Okay, here active monitoring is just only the positive type of the monitoring system, and reactive monitoring is the negative type of the monitoring system. Just this is both are the monitorings. Okay, monitoring. For example, one faculty. For example, if you consider, for example, one faculty. Okay, one teacher. For example, one teacher. The teacher is, for example, the two types of different teachers are there. For example, one teacher, this is second teacher. For example, first teacher, this is teacher 2. For example, this first teacher only, the students are what wrote in negatives only they are considered. For example, okay, first question your answer is wrong, the second question this answer is 50% right, third question is okay, only the consider only the negatives only. But for example, second teacher, the only consider, for example, positives. For example, okay, first question, but okay, you're right, okay, no problem. But the third question is perfectly right. Okay, the fourth question also fully 100% right. This is positives only consider here, positives. Okay, therefore the active monitoring is a positive, like the reactive monitoring is a the negative type. Okay, negative type. Therefore, we are discussing here just for example, active monitoring. Here, the active monitoring in the point of health and safety point of view, and also any the construction site location. This is the active monitoring system means looking at control measures to see if they are correct and being used before accidents etc are caused. Only measures progress only here. Active monitoring is a positive only considered, means how much work done. Okay, and the maybe in entire maybe the 100 people, maybe the 5 people only injured. What about then this 95 people? This 95 people only considered here the active monitoring systems. Okay, and also this is maybe the control measures also the considered here. Okay, how they way maybe solve the remaining maybe the people injured people. Okay, how much of the facilities are provided, automatically decrease the this type of the fatalities. They are considered only the positive nature only, means the measures only progress only. Okay, how much work done, this is only the considered in the active monitoring system. But a reactive monitoring system is a system just only failures only measure. Okay, this system only measures the failures. Okay, failures nothing but indicates how many accidents have happened. Okay, how many incidents have happened, and how many people are the ill health. Okay, at the working location, and how many people are upset. These only the negatives only consider here in this reactive monitoring system. Okay, highlight areas of concern also. Maybe for example in this, for example 10 rooms are there. maybe the electrical work location. For example, maybe the two rooms are the maybe the problem. For example, room number 9 and room number 8 are the problem, maybe some electrical problems. Only they are considered this the areas only the highlighting, because these are the very dangerous areas, only the mention. This is known as the reactive monitoring, and also measures the failures only. But active monitoring is only measures the progress only. But reactive monitoring only they consider the or only the measure the failures of the particular system or failures in the organization. How many accidents happened, how many people injured, okay, how many people are ill health, okay, due to the some the health issues. These only consider, and also which locations are the very dangerous. But active monitoring, we take the control measures. Okay, that location something is happened, therefore they are take the control measures. This is known as the active monitoring system. Okay, clear? And next one, the performance standards. Okay, here in this the performance standards means the conformance and non-conformance with the some standards. Maybe some people maybe the follow the rules, some people are never follow the rules. Because here in this the mainly the organization, some conformances are there, conformances are there, non-conformances there, means they follow some standards compulsory. That is important thing. For example, one organization, okay, for example construction site, we are establishing, for example, if you do the some the construction work, maybe big sir, maybe the construct one the wall, therefore need compulsory first they check the risk assessment. Okay, maybe the stand just only the worker maybe standing position they do the work or not, or maybe use maybe any the chair or stool, or after that maybe use any this ladder. Okay, these are not possible. Okay, compulsory the scaffolding are using. Okay, scaffolding is just like a this type of the arrangements. Yes, this is known as a scaffolding. Okay, these are the some the iron the pipes are using, and also some the maybe one wooden or maybe iron pieces are the arranged. Simply you are sit like stand like here and work it happily. Okay, these are known as the scaffolding. Therefore the risk assessment people, okay, they are assessed at that location. Okay, then they give the report. Okay, this type of the scaffolding is better for that location. Therefore here number and quality of risk assessments are there, the performance standards. Okay, means the company work the properly, means the performance is very important. Performance means they follow the good standards, because for example they arrange the this type of the facilities. Okay, for example they arrange this type of the maybe the forklift, or maybe boom lift, or maybe in case of this type of scaffolding, this type of the arrangements, if we according to the workers requirements they are providing, means the automatically they maintain standards. Okay, these are the performance standards, means how many risk assessments are did the particular location. For example, 2 assessments or 10 assessments, the entire region maybe, means the for example electrical location, the 1 assessment. Or simply for example in case of the telecom department people, maybe the arrange the for example telecom wires, maybe TV wires, CCTV, the installation. These people also do the first assessment. Okay, how they will do the work. And also the similarly the construction people and plumbing people, maybe in case of the fire and safety people, fire people. Okay, these all are they visit the site, they arrange maybe the according to the site requirements. Okay, safety purpose they risk assessments are done. Okay, these are the number of and the quality of risk assessments are important, because very good risk assessment means automatically performance also increase. They are also maintain standards. And also if the provide the health and safety training to schedule also important. For example, some of the organization they are arranged. Okay, some now also some COVID-19, some of the organizations, okay, what type of the precautions are followed at the premises, they give the suggestions, and maybe some trainings are providing, maybe weekly or maybe monthly. For example, this week maybe 27 6 maybe 2020. The similarly the another maybe the 3 7 2020. the another time maybe, or maybe the monthly also some very big the training also providing. And the similarly, for example, health and safety point of view, some of the locations fire drills also the conducting fire. If you have anything happen, maybe fire, how the way that problem is solve it. Okay, how they will use the fire extinguishers, how they will use the fire alarms. Okay, how they will maybe the think about the fire alarms and the hose. Okay, and the water, maybe the sprinklers, how they will use it, this all. And also some of the carbon dioxide, the powder, how they will spray it. Okay, these are all are they trained automatically. Therefore, if anything happened, they solve the problem because their maybe the loss is decreasing. Okay, these are the health and safety training to schedule. These are very important for the performance standards point of view. And also consultative committee meetings to schedule, because maybe the all people, maybe the manager, okay, owners, okay, or MD or owner and managers, assistant managers, and health and safety workers, health and safety officers, and also maybe some the supervisors. Okay, these people are conducting one meeting every time. This is the consultative, the committee meeting to schedule. For example, every monthly or every 6 months one time. Because for example, which purpose these are used? This type of the meetings. For example, the one maybe 10 100 floors building is there. Maybe the 30 floors building is there. Okay, how they will work that location? What type of the safety measures are considered? And also what type of the equipments are need, what type of the machineries need. Okay, maybe need boom lift is need, or maybe cranes are need. They're examined. And also maybe for example, before some of the items only people only carry it, for example. Okay, the weight merely 100 kgs also, maybe the 10 people maybe bring from the one location to some other location, they are carry only. But more people are maybe the injured. But now their suggestions are given by the health and safety officers. Sir, please, maybe most of the people are injured due to this the carrying the items. Okay, the weights. Therefore, please, maybe the buy one forklift. Therefore, they solve the problem, the technology using. Therefore, these are the consultative committee meetings to schedule. And the next one is the performance standards point of view, workplace inspections to schedule. For example, working area, the working area, sometimes some inspection team the visit the site. Okay, maybe every weekly or every monthly, or maybe the yearly also the inspect the workplace. And also sometimes the machineries also inspected by the some the competent team. This type of the schedule is also provided. These are the performance standards. Okay, means by using this performance, because these standards, then automatically the company also the maintain the proper standards, and the workers also maintain proper standards. Automatically the maybe the ill health of the workers and the injuries and risks also decreasing, risk also decreases. And also the everybody is happy, and the 100% attendance, everybody is attend the duties. Okay, and also maybe rest times also provided, because they are maintain the proper standards and health and safety point of view. Therefore everybody happy. And long run also, because most of the workers they stay maybe in years, maybe that 40 years 50 years service in only one single industry. Okay, this is the best performance. Okay, therefore the good standards, the everybody stay in long term. Okay, therefore the turnover also increasing, the company also the very good the profits they gained. Okay, and these are the performance standards. Next one, the inspection point of view. These are the mainly the three types of the inspections are there. Maybe the systematic inspection point of view. First, observation is done. Second one is the inspection point of view, interviewing, and third one the examination. These are the systematic inspection process. These are the systematic the inspection process. Okay, and the systematic inspection, because the first one is the observation. Okay, the observation means plant. Okay, in this plant, okay, the machinery. Here the plant location, what verified, maybe inspecting machinery. For example, some machinery, maybe the maintenance is need. Unfortunately, maybe the cleaner something not do the maintenance. Okay, unfortunately this machine is not working. Therefore, the some of the machineries, every time the maybe competent people compulsory visit the site or plant location, they check the machineries. Okay, maybe the fuel levels, okay, whatever the wheel conditions, okay, and also maybe the electrical wiring and also internal circuitry, they are verified. Okay, the machinery, okay, the properly worked or not, they verify it. And also the vehicles also the inspected at the plant location. For example, vehicle, this vehicle is properly working or not, okay, the condition is good or not, okay, maybe wheels are good or not, these are everything. The vehicles also the inspected, these are the observation category. And also the premises also, maybe the premises means entire the workplace, okay, these are premises. Therefore the workplace also they are verified, okay, and workplace. And also the environment, the environment also the verified. The environment means, for example, the maybe the wind flow, and also maybe the particular location, the good the environment or bad environment, or maybe the maybe dust region, they are verified everything. These are the premises also they are inspected, maybe the workplace inspections, environment the inspections, these are the observation category. Some other one, the inspection, systematic inspection point of view. Okay, interviewing. Okay, interviewing nothing but just only the ask the questions. Okay, they got the some answers. These are the interviewing. For example, people means the people means worker. For example, site area. For example, this guy. This is the forklift driver. These are the, for example, interviewing. For example, the people here interviewing here. Therefore this guy here, maybe the inspector is came here and visit the site area, and here the interviewing, okay, what type of methods are followed, okay, what working methods are followed, okay, how they will maybe working hours, okay, maybe how much time you are staying here, and what about your health, everything they are asking. And also some of the people, the behavior also different. For example, maybe this guy, okay, maybe this forklift driver, but behavior is differently, maybe the arrogantly use the brakes, okay, and sudden brakes are applied, these are the not correct thing. And also not obey the rules, okay, these are the, they also verified the systematic inspection point of view, they also verified, okay, the working methods, okay, the behavior of the people. Next one, the examination. Okay, next one, the finally the examine the maybe the machinery, maybe something, the examine it, the procedures point of view, the examine it. Okay, means the everybody follow the procedure, safe system of work. That's why every construction location, safety is first, that one word is using here. The one, maybe the one, the bigger the board is the appearing. Okay, this is the main important, because the safe of the workers are important. And it's not only workers, maybe the some of the visitors are there going that way, and also some of the passengers are going. Okay, therefore the peoples are moving the region, site region. Therefore the examination procedures are there followed, the safe systems. Okay, the safe, the systems, how they were followed, they are verified, the procedures. Method statements also, okay, the statements also they are verified, because how many people are attending, okay, this every statement, okay, worker statements, okay, and also the officers, maybe instructions, everything, their statements also they are verified procedures. And also work permits also, this is permit to work, okay, already last class this one is explained, work permit or permit to work, because some of the works compulsory need work permit. Maybe they are compulsory, they show it. For example, some labor officers came, they visit the site, okay, show me your work permit. Okay, some dangerous works only, remaining works no need, because the confined spaces and also hot works, because these are the people very high risk condition they are working. Okay, okay, that locations means compulsory need the work permit or permits to work. Okay, PTW, permit to work. This is the systematic the inspection. This one is the systematic inspections. Okay, inspections are doing three ways. One is the observation, the second one is the interviewing, third one is the examination. And the observation point of view, planned, the premises are inspected, and the interview means people the inspected are also they get the some information from the questions manner. And the examination, what is the procedures they are the followed, and the maintain the safe system of work or not, and also the work permits and also the statements they are verified, the examined. Okay, this is the systematic inspection. Next, the some of the few definitions are there here. The safety inspection, safety sampling, safety survey, safety tour. These are the some of the definitions are there. What is the safety inspection? Okay, the safety inspection. Safety inspection is nothing but the examination of a workplace. Okay, the inspect the workplace. Why the need the this examination? Because the safety purpose, and also if safe means everybody's health also good. Okay, everybody health is good means everybody work properly. Everybody work properly means everybody got the very good salaries. Okay, and also company also in growth position, and everybody got very good salaries, and family members also happy. This is the one systematic approach. Okay, if safe means automatic, that's why health is wealth. That is the one, the proverb is there, health equal to wealth. Because if healthiest guy means the healthiest person means automatically wealthiest person, like only wealth person means the money person. How the way health is coming? Only from the safety. You maintain the safety precautions. Okay, safety manner, you take the food, safety manner you work. These are the you are follow the safety manners or safety, then automatically health also good. Health also good means automatically you are a wealthiest person. Therefore, the safety inspection means examination of workplace. The statutory inspection also means the particular situation point of view. There just only the inspection is done, and also sometimes the plants also the inspected, the machineries also, and also some pre-use checks also. For example, inspection, the maybe that location, inspection location, some of the checklists also there. Okay, first verify maybe the forklift. Okay, right, verified. Some of the, for example, second one is the maybe crane, not verified, for example. Third one maybe verified the maybe one missionary lathe mission. Okay, the verified, this like here, these are inspections are done, and also the pre-use checks also. And next one is the safety sampling. This is sample means you take the sample. For example, if you everybody know it, maybe cook the rice. For example, your rice may be cooking. For example, make the rice. Here these are the maybe rice particles here. Your entire rice no need to check, just only the two particles you are take it and you are check it enough. The same here the also the safety sampling. Some locations maybe take the some representative samples to judge the complaints. Automatically you know it automatically, and also less time consuming. And also, for example, if you have verified the maybe the land. Okay, for example, land. Okay, and the soil is testing. For example, the soil testing means entire soil no need to test. They take the some small sample, this much of sample, they bring into the laboratory, and that location they do the research on the particular soil. Okay, this soil is suitable for the constructing the building or not. Okay, these are the less time consuming. Just only small sample they take it and do the inspection. That is enough. Maybe the 10 to 1 hour they take the sample and bring into the maybe the research lab. They do the research on them, and they finally they got the final conclusion. Okay, this location is suitable for construct the building, no problem. Okay, 100-story building is suitable. Just like here, these are the safety sampling. This is the less time consuming process. Next one is the safety survey also. Survey nothing but some particular topic, particular issue. the detailed examination is doing. Okay, for example, the one location, maybe the fire is some the one the maybe construction building. Okay, then the particular issue some people are inspecting. Okay, the particular topic only, maybe due to the electrical, the short circuit only, the particular topic only they are inspecting. These are known as the safety survey point of view. For example, safety point of view, for example, roadways. Okay, for example, one guy is using car, one guy using the bike, which one is the more danger, they take the maybe survey. For example, everybody may be answered automatically, the bike drivers have the more danger comparatively the car drivers. Why? Because this is not safety. For example, using the bike is not a safety. These are the safety survey. This is safety survey is nothing but detailed examination of one issue or particular topic or particular item only they are inspecting, or they done the safety survey. Next one, the safety tour. These are the safety tour is a not a ordinary persons or never do this safety tour, but the high profile inspection by manager, because higher authorities the visit the site. Okay, these are known as the safety tours. Okay, not ordinary people, maybe competent staff, nothing but maybe the supervisors, not, or maybe foremen, not, they do the this type of the inspection. These are known as a safety tour. The safety tour is done by high profile the people only, means managers, the company owners and CEOs, or particularly maybe health and safety managers. Those people are health and safety officers, officer level people only, they do the this one. This is one of the safety tour, and also can be used to observe the behaviors too also, because these people, maybe the manager level people, they also they check the or inspect the behavior of the people also. Okay, therefore this is one of the safety tour. The one is the safety inspection, second one is the safety sampling, third one is the safety survey, fourth one is the safety tour. Next one is the other standards. Other standards means health surveillance point of view. The health surveillance point of view, monitoring worker health, a proactive measures. This is the proactive means only the monitoring the worker health. For example, one guy is maybe she is came here visit the site. Okay, for example, some guys are working. Okay, in this the monitor the workers health. Maybe everybody is good health or not. Okay, nowadays also some of the locations they are permitting. For example, due to this corona, some supermarkets they are use the some of the equipments also nowadays. Okay, because thermal screening is doing monitor the health of the just only the customers, and also the workers health also they are verified. If anybody found ill health means the compulsory they send into the quarantine. Okay, they send the quarantine, automatically they stay in nearly the 15 to 30 days at a one room in a quarantine, and also some companies also send into the quarantine. Therefore these are the some other standards. Okay, now is the due to corona they do the quarantines, but the health and surveillance also, health surveillance, the surveillance is nothing but, for example, CCTV, closed circuit the television. This is the one of the surveillance system. For example, security guards also the one of the surveillance the type of the system. The same similarly, health surveillance is nothing but the health checking, just like only. Therefore the monitoring workers health, this is the proactive measure, and also shows effectiveness of controls also. For example, some people never wear, for example, masks. Okay, therefore they found this problem. That's why the most of the people that location may be dust, more dusty there. Okay, dust due to dust, the everybody breathing is this dust means automatically the lungs problem, automatically some respiratory system is problem, respiratory system. This is the this entire one known as the respiratory system. Okay, therefore this respiratory system is problem, therefore automatically everybody is health. Therefore they found the particular the problem, then they give the effective control measures also. Okay, then automatically everybody wear the particular this one, the mask, then they automatically control the ill health problems. Okay, next also the benchmarking also, this is very very important. Benchmarking, for example, this is the one industry, the same other industry. For example, this is the maybe the petrochemical factory. For example, the same petrochemical factory, the checking here in this factory location, for example, 100 people working. Okay, maybe the same this factory also, for example, 100 people working. Here in this factory maybe 50 people are injured, in this factory maybe 20 people. Okay, automatically this factory is good, they are verifying. Okay, therefore this is benchmarking, comparison to other organizations, and also can compare between sectors also, the same sectors, maybe organizations, because the organizations are very big organization. In this, for example, organization, for example, one construction site, construction company. In this construction company, they are doing electrical work, maybe MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing work also, and also maybe some the other works also they are doing. Okay, the consultancy also doing, the some other company maybe the only the construction only. This construction means only the plumbing only doing, for example, or AC installation doing, they are checking here this company and this sector. For example, same in this organization also, maybe electrical department, maybe mechanical department, AC installation department, they are verifying, maybe the telecom department verifying internally also, the every sector also. These are the benchmarking also considered, for example, health and safety point of view. These are the other standards. And next one, workplace inspections. Workplace inspections. Okay, how they, for example, this guy is visit the, for example, particular the site area. For example, this is one construction site area. Okay, what factors you are considered here? Okay, first the type of inspection, maybe electrical inspection or maybe plumbing inspection. Okay, maybe the mechanical inspection, means machinery, all the things. Okay, this way you check it first, the type of inspection, and also the frequency of inspection, maybe the weekly or every day or monthly the inspection. Okay, for example, some of the locations, the maintenance staff is there, maintenance supervisor every day inspect the every maybe washrooms. Therefore, the inspection, that is the every day, that is mandatory thing. Some of the locations, maybe the construction site location, maybe weekly they are inspecting. This is the frequency of the inspection, and also allocation of responsibilities also. The allocation of responsibility is nothing but these people, the how much maybe the maybe manager level people, they work, the maybe the manager work or not, maybe the foremen are doing or not, the properly or not, and also supervisors are not, maybe worker they do their work are properly or not. These are the responsibilities. Okay, the same maybe the inspection committee people also, the what work is given, for example, they inspect maybe some location, maybe the electrical location the problem, only this guy only the inspect the particular region only and electrical location only, but not other, maybe the go to the some other location, not correct thing. Therefore, the competence of the inspector also important. Competency nothing but the high level means the some knowledge, the kati people means the knowledge, ability, and a trained and experienced one, automatically he know it automatically which location or which problem is appearing, he know it automatically, the competence of the inspector. And also objectivity of inspector also, because objectives also you know it. Okay, how they will inspect, okay, what they are inspect, this is objectives also given according to the objects you do the inspection. And also use of checklists also, these are the important. The checklist nothing but, for example, electrical the inspection, for example, how many sockets are there, okay, they are tick mark, maybe 10 sockets there, the tick 10 is inspected or not, yes or no. Okay, or 8 only inspected. And also maybe relays, how many, maybe fuses, how many fuses are inspected, this everything, this examine this manner. Okay, use of checklists, okay, they are tick mark, or maybe how many, this like action planning for problems found, for example, one switch is not working properly. Okay, room number 10, the switch is not working, they're mentioned. Therefore, this maybe the future they take the action on the particular the work. Okay, because maybe they replace the switch room number 10. Okay, and a new one also the establish here, maybe the they arrange here the new one also. And also training for inspectors also, maybe these guys maybe need some training also, they provide some training facilities also. These are the important needs. These are the workplace inspectors. These are the consider the some factors also. These are the factors considered for the workplace inspections, right? Next one is the example, the inspection system. This is the one of the example for example, one the bank head office is there. For example, one bank, this is the bank. For example, this bank location, some of the health and safety manager is there. For example, the manager, and also health and safety manager, or maybe the branch manager also there. For example, these are the responsible for the health and safety of the particular entire branch, because this branch manager there is the whole everything, health and safety and also workers, everything is under control only. Health and safety means only health and safety they are considered here. Therefore, here just only we take the one example, maybe inspection system at the bank head office location. Some people are inspecting. For example, purpose monitor the health and safety standards. For example, in this bank, maybe the five maybe washrooms are there. For example, they verify here maybe washrooms they are using the proper Dettol or not. Okay, the proper the material cleaning purpose are using or not. Okay, and also nowadays the every maybe office location some corona, due to the corona compulsory the sanitizers are providing. Therefore here maybe in this location sanitizers are providing or not. And also maybe the office the clean or not, they are verifying. These are the frequency, some monthly or weekly, the maybe the health and safety officer or branch manager visit the entire the branch, they check it monthly. And who is the responsible person, maybe managers at different levels, maybe health and safety managers, the branch managers at different levels. Competence, maybe one day course is enough for the how they will inspect the particular the site areas, because health and safety point of view one day course is enough. Maybe competent staff automatically means got a knowledge and ability trained and experienced guy, automatically one day course is providing means he is automatically do the inspect the bank head office. Inspection checklist, maybe general checklist, maybe extra tailored if required means the extra checklist also, maybe sometimes not mentioned, also they take the some other extra paper also, this also verified. For example, a room maybe, for example sanitizer providing or not, they check it here. Okay, these are checklists. And also cleaning done or not. Okay, the smell may be good or not, or bad smell come, these are the checklist. Okay, follow up arrangements, if you have action is need, maybe the floor is the dirty, okay, or floor is wet, okay, maybe water is there, therefore they are informed to the particular the supervisor. And the supervisor is informed to the cleaning guys, automatically they clean the wet floor. Okay, this way the example of inspection of the one the bank head office. Okay, the bank head office, this manner is the inspecting. And next one, limitations of inspections. Okay, what are the limitations, because everybody have some limitation. Okay, therefore some hazards are invisible. For example, some hazards are invisible means one machinery there, the machinery internally maybe one electrical wire is removed automatically, maybe automatically internally some problem is happened. For example, unexpected, the one guy maybe the one worker is touch this machinery, therefore the died. Okay, maybe the fatality happened. Therefore this is the invisible one hazard. The hazard is invisible, therefore some hazards are invisible, are not always present or seen, sometimes we never see. Okay, what is there here, for example in water also what is there, and also confined spaces, for example what is inside we don't know. Therefore we are not always present or seen. The observations may not be mentioned in the inspection sheet also, maybe some of the things, maybe for example the inspection sheet not mentioned, for example on off switch is verifying, therefore automatically The inspection team came and visited the site, and they automatically check that one. But unfortunately, the on off switch is not mentioned in the checklist. Therefore, this on off switch is not the checked. The one guy, maybe the one worker is maybe touch this on off switch, automatically he is the injured. Therefore, the observations may not be mentioned in the inspection sheet. Okay, management may not pay attention to what is mentioned in the sheet also. For example, some people, okay, room number 10 location, for example, the room number 10 location, for example, room number 10 location, okay, this room number 10 location, the electrical socket is problem, this mentioned. But unfortunately, this, the maybe the manager level owner, the maybe not pay the more attention on the particular one, okay. And also sometimes maybe the overlook, he not check that one, okay. Therefore, management may not pay attention to what is mentioned in the sheet, okay. Therefore, automatically more people are injured, okay. These are the some of the drawbacks, and also the limitations of inspections, okay. The limitations of inspections, okay. These are the use of checklists. Maybe this slide after I will close it, okay. The what are the advantages of the checklist, okay. The checklist advantage, already I tell you the checklist, okay. This is the document, she is the one document is using, and check this everything here, okay. How many fans are there, they checked, okay, maybe 10, okay, right is marking. And also how many acs are there, the marking here, okay, 5 acs, okay. And how many working, maybe 2 working. What about the particular, maybe the gas leak, they are this manner they are verified. Therefore, the advantages ensures all points are covered or not. This is the one good advantage. For example, if you are going to your home country, you are also maybe this type of one, the written document also you wrote it. But for example, your checking purpose, you are verify. For example, passport, okay, ticket, okay, some of the maybe items, maybe for example you bought maybe jewelry, okay, maybe ornaments. You see this manner, yeah, everything is the packed or not. This is the one advantage is there. Ensures all points covered or not. And also the consistent approach, because this approach is the perfect manner. And also this is the form of written document also, okay. Maybe future purpose also, this document is automatically, maybe this month, maybe June 1st they are verified, okay. And similarly July 1st also verify, maybe what shortfalls are before what they are verified. This document is maybe reference purpose is used, okay. Disadvantages, may ignore some items, maybe not in the checklist, automatical checklist, something is not mentioned, maybe washing machine is not mentioned, okay. Therefore, not checked, okay. Therefore, may ignore items not on checklist, okay. These are the advantages and disadvantages of the checklist, okay. Next one is the groups indicate exercise. In groups, list the topic headings that should be included on an inspection checklist for use in your workplace. And also you also think about, for example, your room, you would write down just only your understanding purpose, you take one paper and write down maybe checklist, okay. How many fans are there, your checklist, okay. The fan is working or not, okay. What not working means what is the problem. This way the entire room, your checklist, design a rough format for the inspection checklist check sheet, okay. This way you do it at your home, and this is useful for you, okay. Next, tomorrow I will, maybe not tomorrow, maybe after I will inform you workplace inspections, okay. Right, already time up, okay. Thank you guys, okay. And today I will stop, okay. I will wind up the session, okay. To maybe I will inform you, and also today I will send you the questions also, okay. And also please submit it tomorrow. And also your group is the available for you, and also you internally you build up your maybe the how do we read, how much you read. This is the group syndicate exercise, you do it at your the home also, okay. This is a better, your future purpose also useful. And also some questions also the internally you discuss your group members, this is useful, okay. Okay, all the best, all of you, and once again, okay, bye, and all the best. Okay, thank you. If you have anybody have any doubt, okay, please tell me. Anybody have any doubt? Okay, right. Okay, bye. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thanks a lot. Bye. I will the wind up the session. Okay, end it. Okay, thank you. Bye.